25. This thing flips over here about 15 times. Back when winds are there. Pretty high up. You see how high up we are, up higher than the bloody roofs there on the stands there. Oh yeah. It's hard to pick up, eh? It was awful bloody fast. Pearson. There he goes right now. There he goes. Just happened to have the camera. I just turned my head, eh? And just seen him go. Never got hurt though. Young Paul Cabana going there.